Hey guys, I'm excited. I've got a new antenna. That antenna is the Radioddity HF-009. This thing works from the 60 meter band all the way to the 6 meter band. It's an adjustable, cool antenna, multi-band antenna for portable, nice and lightweight. Comes in this case, everything in it, including 5 meters of coax to get you going on it. So this is Portsmouth City Park. I'm home in Portsmouth, Virginia. This is not a POTA park, it's a city park, but I want to get this thing up and see how it works. It's morning time, and a lot of times in the morning, the 20 meter band's still pretty active this time of year especially. So let's get this antenna up. I'll show it to you and check out the Radioddity HF-009. Stick around. Okay, here it is. Beautiful morning here. A little cool, but beautiful morning. I love this thing already. So at the bottom, at the base, it's got basically with pins. They come in and out here. Pull one out and show it to you. These are about 5 meters long each, so 3 counterpoise that come with it that clip right in the base. And as you can see here, that is a coil. This right here is the adjustment. I love this thing. It's really nice and easy, and you can see the marks on it. So once you start using it, you check out the adjustments on it as well. Telescopic whip to go as well, as you can see maybe on the ground here. There's my counterpoise wire, counterpoise system. And that's it. The Radioddity HF-009. Really, I tell you what, build quality on this is nice. I really like it. I like the I guess that's an internal coil. I like the stout, thick, telescopic whip there. Really cool antenna. I've got the their supplied 5 meters of coax over there to my Zygo G90, and I'm operating it with my LiPo 4 10 amp hour battery. So there you go. I mean, this thing is really made for the G90 by Radioddity. Let's get on and see how it performs. Let me tune it up. And here we are at my park bench with the G90. Actually not very hard to tune at all, especially using the G90. I got an amazing glare here, so showing you the screen on that was kind of tough, but with the internal, you know, the sweep, the band sweep and everything on the G90, this antenna is basically made for the G90. Let's go make some contacts.
Victor Canada, 9 Florida.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar, 59011.
You're at 59001.
Thank you very much, 7-3. This is Victor Canada, 9 Foxtrot, Victor Charlie, 9 Florida.
Okay, pretty solid contact on 20 meters there. I'm going to go tune it, and let's see what happens on 40. Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar,
You're 5'5" in Virginia. Thanks for the contact there in Connecticut. 73, my friend. Wow, fun antenna. I really like this thing a lot. You know, I've been using a lot of little portable antennas like this lately. Kind of want to get my feel for different ones. I'm a guy that likes to make wire antennas and make my own, but I'm having some fun with antennas like this. Got to be honest with you, this might be the best one I've actually used as far as just build quality. Using it, I know it's a little narrow tuning it. What I was doing, I kind of caught on quick to this, was I would turn the volume up and kind of the frequency I wanted to operate in or whatever, and I would go over and take my thumb and go up and down and kind of wait till I hear the noise level rise real high, and then get back over here and look, and I was pretty much nailing it that way. You kind of just go up and down until the noise level would come up, and then you could kind of zero it in, and that was working really well. And band conditions today are really horrible, but I made some solid contacts, and what really impressed me was the 40 meter band here at what time is it now? Getting close to 10 a.m. Solid contacts on 40. That was just great. So all in all, it's a really good antenna. I will put a link to Tech Minds, Matt over at Tech Minds. He did a real detailed video. I'm not a detailed guy. I get out pop it up and see if it works, and it does that for sure. So I'll put a link to Matt's video below. I'll also put a link. I have a Radioddity link that'll get you a discount if you're interested in this thing. I'll put that link down there as well. But I like this antenna a lot. Few things I only got on 20 and 40 with it because bands really weren't open anything higher than that. You use the coil part there for 17 from the 60 meter band up to 17. After that, you can take that off and just tune all the way from the 15 meter band, the 6 meter band by just using the telescopic whip and tuning it that way. But all in all, what a great antenna. Just a fun one. Definitely a fun one. And I'll use this some more. I'll get out on the beach with it and try it there. I like how quick and easy it is. I'm starting to really like these type of antennas. So if you want to put one of these in your arsenal there, take a peek at this one. It's not a bad antenna at all. So it's fun. Hey, it's windy out here today, so if the audio is the camera's bouncing around, the audio is a little rough. I apologize for that, but like I said, I like this antenna. If you enjoy HF ops and voice, SSB, building antennas, experimenting with antennas, please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.